We are going to begin our study of cursive letter G, and as always, we're going to look at a printed G. Of course, we're going to have our lead in line. You can follow that dotted line on your screen up in that box. And then when we lead out, it's a lot like cursive J, where we lead from the bottom of the G. And as we make a real cursive J, we're also going to focus on that cursive slant. Now, starting with your finger on the green dot, up and over slightly to the dotted line in blue, around in an oval shape on purple, straight down to that bottom line on yellow, and then sweep around and out. Let's make a few together on the smaller printed lines, and as always, you want to challenge yourself a little bit as you go. You can make some singles, you can make a few G's in a row, and then I'd like you to try to do a combo. Do G and into M, and then do M into G. And then you can try to write the word mug. Next up is our study of the letter Y, cursive lowercase y. We're going to look at a printed Y. And of course, we are going to focus on how do we lead in to that letter? How does it become a cursive letter? From the bottom of the Y is how we lead out. And the inner part of the Y gets a little softer, more like a U shape when we make it. So starting on the green dot, following the blue, up, over, touch the dotted line, down to the red line, sweeping back up to the dotted. That's one motion. And now switching to purple, we're going to see that line trace back over some of the blue, all the way down to that lower line, sweeping up and crossing over itself, and then sweeping away. So that's your cursive Y. Now you can make some on the new learner line. You can also try to make some on a more challenging line for you, the should do line, the middle one. You can also try to make a couple Y's in a row. And don't forget to do the aspire to do line. And you can do Y, E as your combo letters. Y, E. And finally, we'll add in one more combo for you. You can add in J, Y, and then dot your J after.